Motion detected at the front door.
Man, I'm not expecting anything. I wonder if it's a ding-dong ditchers again. Ah. What is this? Man, I gotta stop that late night drunk shopping on Amazon. Plain brown box. This might not be appropriate for work. Oh, Mabett. Ah. I don't know why I thought this would be bigger. I know what this is. Yeah. Okay, so here's what this is. And I swear, pictures online, I love how they do that marketing. Make this thing look twice as big. Very interesting. Okay, this is Mabett. If you got a Ford Bronco Raptor, this fits the Ford Bronco Raptor. The light in the back, behind the back seat passengers, right above them, that's on the roll bar, is weak. It's got like two little small half-lit LEDs that come down, straight down. This replaces it. And that's all there is to it. Plastic. This has 1, 2, 3 LEDs, and then there's supposed to be like a touch sensitive sensor in here will light that up. And then it's got some plastic adhesive 3M type double sticky tape for securing it, but the springs, if it's properly engineered, should be enough to hold it up there. So here it is. Let me get you some close-ups of it before we go outside. So there we are. It looks like it's about 4 1/4, almost 4.5 inches wide. Lengthwise, it's just going to wrap around the bar, 6 inches. And here's the one thing that's kind of cool, if you notice, the LEDs there, there, and there, they're smoked out. And everybody likes smoked out lenses. And then for your close-up of the back. It is seriously plug and play, which means you pull out the old one and you pull the plug off of the old one and you put that plug onto the new one here. And then of course, save the old one. It's that easy. This, if they're properly engineered, like I said earlier, there I am repeating myself, should be sufficient. But they still gave us 3 adhesive strips. That's it for the preview. Let's get outside. Okay, here's the inside light. And I got to tell you, this was a bitch getting out. You see how it's recessed? That makes it even tougher. You got to use a little pick, like an awl with a hook on the end of it. Do whatever you can, whatever it takes to get up underneath there. Use your little plastic trim tools. These are mine. You can get some out of the description in the link above. Once you get one side, do whatever you just did to get the other side, and then just start pulling down. You're not going to break the light. This is what the light looks like. And these are the springs that you just got to pull and pull and pull and pull. I don't know what kind of configuration they're supposed to be in originally, but this is how they came out. Okay, when you're done, all you got to do is pull apart the little quick connect switch dilly connector thing, and it pulls apart. I forgot to mention, and I did it a little bit late myself, but from the beginning, if you're smart, you put a little tape on there, because we all know this Ford plastic, if it was any softer, it'd be butter. So before I put the new one in, I thought I'd compare the springs on the old one to the new ones just to see what they might have used to look like. And yeah, I bent the crap out of it. Damn. Oh, it's touch. It's not a quick touch necessarily, it's touching slow. I was hitting it. Whatever. Okay, it's working. There we go. I got it. Light on. Come on. Light off. Save the old one. See if I can show you the light output. Let's see, where's that switch right there? It's not super blinding bright, which is good. I was afraid that it would just be, oh my God, but it is better. It's a good amount of light. Alrighty, there you go. It's installed. Doesn't look bad. It's not an exact match on the plastic, but look at all the other noise going on the ceiling and around in the truck, color-wise and stuff. So it's no big deal. I did not use the double sticky back tape yet. All right, man, that's it. Subscribe. Stay tuned. I update all my reviews if there's ever an update. In other words, if stuff fails, I update it. If you don't see any updates and it's still rocking and rolling, see ya.